Hey, what's up, Dent coin holder? It's a really urgent news and urgent update for all Dent coin holders, especially for new investor who invest for a short time. Absolutely, this video is going to be very important now. Dent coin holder, first of all, as you can see, for this time the update so all is negative now. Just in only my friend last 1 hour change occurred positive now. So it's a really great news for all of you to the change occurred positive now. So let's see, my brother. In this video, I predicate this coin. I will update you. I will guide you, and absolutely I share opinion. So let's see. Please, before I get started this video, subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. Thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel and like the video. This time, remember that the price of Dent coin as 0.002 USD dollar. It's mean to the price is decreased now from previous days. What's the main reason to the price is decreased now? First of all, I will tell you, my brother. The reason is that clearly, my friend, the main reason is that to short-term investor they starting selling. You know, Dent coin, one of the good coin, my friend, for short-term investor, but they fails down very fastly now sometimes. So exactly, you need to, my friends, someone can alert you. So obviously channel will alert you every time. So kindly you subscribe it and press bell icon for urgent alert videos notification. This time, my brother, the Dent coin is fails down from last 7 days. Absolutely, this is last 7 days chart. If I predicate this coin, you better understand to upcoming time can there is a chances to they will move upward or not. So as you can see, my friends, the previous days they fails down, but definitely after this fails, you can see, my friends, they will take a jump. So it's mean, my friends, so after the short fails they will take a short jump. So therefore it's a long fails, and I hope, my friend, after this long fails they will take a very huge jump now. So the good jump is coming soon now, holder. Please try to understand, don't sell it and don't waste your time. Just only buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope Dent coin holders they will give you a very good profit and a very huge profit just in only, my friend, at the end of month. So thanks for watching, Dent coin holder. Please like this video and subscribe this channel for more this type of informative videos.